Damn! Ah! God damn. What's good, man? Hope you guys are doing well and hope you guys are having a blessed day today. The highly anticipated Chainsaw Man, guys. A lot of heat incoming, guys. A lot of heat, okay? I know this anime, from what I've researched, is slated for like 12 episodes. That is hella short, but at the end of the day, I'm extremely grateful for Studio Mappa, especially the GOATs, okay, for adapting this manga and bringing us some heat in this anime. So let's see what's in store. I mean, I already know what's in store, but in the manga, but I can't wait to see how they do it justice. Let's get into this episode, Dog and Chainsaw. Let's go. I feel like I'm playing a first-person game right now. So realistic. Studio Mappa in a bag, for real. Next level. See how realistic this looks, bro? Oh my god. My boy Denji out here. He sold one of his nuts, bro. That is wild. How is he even living right now? Oh yeah, Pochi. I love Pochita. That thing butt ugly. Kill it. Opening. Let's go. Ooh. Nah, they something different with this show, bro. Yeah, I'm rocking with this. I like this opening. Ooh, power. Love her. Love the coloring. Ooh. Nah, this is about to be straight heat. Oh my goodness. I'm not ready. Even though I already know what's to come, I'm still not ready. To see this animated is just mind-boggling. Studio Mappa. Bro. I am not ready. And the biggest element I notice is rotoscoping. And for those of you who don't know who rotoscoping is like hand tracing over motion pictures, like humans, to make the animation more realistic. Like as you saw with like their dancing back in the opening or whatnot. Things like that. That's rotoscoping. Been used in the animation industry like for a long time. Man, that joint got wrecked. Damn, bro, your profits like slim after all them fees. Jesus Christ. This man dead broke. I feel you, my boy. Grind don't stop. You gonna be straight? Really? Slap his ass. Ugh. For 100 yen? How much is that, like a quarter in US dollars or a dollar? What? I don't know. Not worth it at all. They living it hard out here. Damn. One slice of bread. That's his lunch, breakfast, dinner. That's crazy. 700,000? That is so grimy and disgraceful. His dad leaving him with that much debt as a kid. Oh my god. Pochita. Oh wow. Thing leaking. Save Pochita. Pochita. Save him. That's how it all started. Such a loving relationship. Oh, God. What the hell? Please don't stab me in the head with that chainsaw, doggy. Pochita. Oh, God. Oh. I'm watching a movie right now, guys. This is just so phenomenal. Studio Mappa. Y'all killing it. It's a setup. Oh my goodness. Set me up. Oh hell. That thing ugly. Yeah, we out. Dip. We out. Oh God. Damn. Ah. God damn. Ah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no. Damn. They violating that boy. They violated him. Oh my God. Oh, they chopped him up, threw him in the trash. Oh, bro. Pochita. That's how you pronounce it, Pochita? Pochita? I like Pochita. Not Pochita. That slice of bread look hella good, though. Their relationship is just so tight. What we doing, Pochita? Ooh. Binding him back together. Dope. Wow. Wow. I forgot that dog can talk. Not gonna lie. What we doing? This OST though. Love it. What we doing, Denji? What we doing? It's music. It's getting me hyped up, but also feeling for him at the same time. What we doing, boy? Yes, sir. What we doing? What we doing? Woo! What we doing, boy? Yes, sir. Put in that work, boy. Yes, sir. What we doing? Come on. Damn. Fruit ninja out here. Damn, what? I love the raw energy. Yes, sir. Nice. Nice. Damn, he revving it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow!
My god, bro. Phenomenal. Outstanding. Oh my god. Slaughterhouse up in this joint. Somebody get the mop. Prepare the mop. Get all the bleach. All the Clorox. All the Arm & Hammer. Get the whole... Get gallons of Mr. Clean. Just... Get it all ready. Because that whole house is just bloodied up. Oh my god. Ooh, that water clean. You see that drip though? Surprised it ain't blood flooding out of that warehouse right now. Like in the entrance. He had a blast up in there. He ready for that smoke. He's lost for words. He's like, I get food. I got this baddie chick that I get to hang with. Wow. 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 I'm lost for words. Bro. Movie quality. Movie quality. Okay, Studio Mappa in a bag. Hell of a way to start Chainsaw Man this season. Phenomenal job. Like I said, I can't express my excitement enough. I can't contain my excitement at all. Like it's just uncontainable. All right, this series is just gonna be crazy, insane. Okay, just how beautiful the colors and the animation, the fight sequences. Studio Mappa don't disappoint. It's nothing new. That's what they do. Bars. They adapted this first few chapters, this first chapter from the manga very well. I'm happy from what I saw already. And I can't wait to see how they adapt the rest of it going forward in the next 11 episodes. Just gonna have to wait and see. So excited, guys. So excited. But hey, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Y'all know what's up. Stay locked in on the channel. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you'd like to keep up to date with the content that I drop on this channel. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out.